Asahi Linux is an alternative operating system for M1 or M2 Macs. Ever since they announced the Asahi Linux project, their goal was to bring a full Linux support to Apple Silicon machines. The core components of Asahi Linux were the M1N1 bootloader and kernel. Now, this indeed helps third-party developers to bring support for other distros like Ubuntu running on bare metal on Apple Silicon Macs. Now, with that being said, it's time for big things to see around the corner. The Asahi team has collaborated with Upstream Fedora project and has been working since 2021, and they are ready to showcase their work by the end of this month. This is Fedora Asahi Remix, the official flagship Linux distribution from the Asahi team for Apple Silicon Macs. Now, as of now, adventurous users can try the Fedora Asahi Remix on their Apple Silicon Mac by going to this link. So I have installed it on my M1 Mac and want to share my initial experience of Fedora 38 running on bare metal. Now, as you can see, I have installed Fedora 38 with Plasma Desktop. Now, compared to Asahi Linux Arch Edition, I can notice a minor improvement. The desktop experience was very smooth. Now, out of the box, Fedora Asahi Remix supports hardware-based acceleration and uses GPU to render the system UI. All animations and transitions are super smooth. Now, as of now, the internal speakers, microphone, and camera are not working, and I believe they will be fixed in the official release. Now, apart from that, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth just works fine. You can use Bluetooth earpods to listen to music and watch YouTube videos. Now, just like Asahi Linux Arch Edition, the battery backup on Fedora is next level. I cannot provide an exact screen on time parameter, but it's not better than Mac OS. Fedora Asahi Remix is going to be called Upstream first, which means the M1N1 bootloader, kernel, and Mesa are already in Upstream Fedora repositories and available directly to all Fedora users. So working with Upstream means not only they can integrate more closely with the core distribution, but also the issues with the packages they get will be fixed quickly and smoothly. This is very important for platforms like ARM64 desktop, where we still run into the random app and package bugs quite often. Overall, I would say the Fedora Asahi Remix is going to be the big release that is coming by the end of this month. It's going to bring many new features and more packages for new hardware support and more. Now, this is going to be the perfect alternative operating system for M1 or M2 Macs that can be used as a daily driver. So stay tuned for more updates, subscribe to my channel to see more future videos. Thanks for watching. This is been KSK Rao. I will see you in the next one.